Hey YouTube, it's your girl Lilcutenurse. What's going on? How y'all doing? I'm blessed. I hope everybody's out there blessed. Let me just start this video by saying, y'all, I'm praying for everybody in the realms of Hurricane Florence. Y'all be safe. I experienced that here in Houston, and I know it's horrible, it's scary. Y'all just pray, get somewhere safe, and just let the Lord do his work. Okay, y'all, this video is about for my BoxyCharm. I received it today, but I got a haul, y'all. Yeah, I've been doing a little bit of shopping. I'm gonna hold this one till I get everything from the Sephora sale, but this one I'll probably try to get up tomorrow night. And these things, I want to share these with y'all right now because Color Rain is having a sale right now. This Cheers to Beauty palette is only $25, and I'm showing it to y'all right now because I'm ready to use it. I know everybody and their mama seen it, and I went down for paying the $59 for it even though I really wanted it. When Tyra Babies did her review, I really wanted it, but I held out, and I'm glad I did. It's $25 if anybody else wanted it. And I have been looking at this Queen of Heart palette since the hype came out. Y'all know this one was $59 too. It's on sale for $35. Again, I'm glad I held out and wait to get it because that Queen of Heart palette is some really pretty colors. I had my eye on the new Urban Decay palette. You know, the one that's in a circle? I'm holding out on that baby. I'm holding out because these two palettes got a lot of good shades, but it is a green in there. But I had to show y'all this because this sale is right now. It does me no good to hold this to Saturday and say, y'all, look what I got, and y'all can't get it. If y'all want to, go to Color Rain. I'm telling you, the sale is real. Now, put this other stuff in this box, so we gonna do that stuff. It's the 21 Days of Beauty, y'all. It's y'all fault if y'all miss it. I'm just gonna be showing you what I get. All right, enough talking. Y'all see I love this hair. I've been having it on ever since. While we talking about stuff I'm loving, this Fenty Beauty Because I'm Black liner, y'all, this liner is the business. No other eyeliner beat these watery eyes that worked as good as that Kat Von D liner until this thing here is the business. I'm just saying it's about the same, I think, as a Kat Von D liner. If you're looking for a good liner, get this Fenty Beauty fly liner in Because I'm Black. It's the only one she got out. It's tight. It's tight. And I ain't liking it just because I'm black. It's good. And the next thing I'm gonna tell you about, I'm just telling you because I'll never do these coming back videos from the I don't know where to get this though. I started not to show y'all this Minimalist Palettes by LC Cosmetics. I guess you can get it at LC Cosmetics website. It was from the BoxyCharm in session. I love this palette. This is the perfect neutral eye palette. I really, really like it. Okay, now I'm gonna quit talking and we're gonna just open this box up and see what's in this month's BoxyCharm. And I already know what y'all saying. I'm gonna answer your question. Hell yeah, I'm mad as I can be. I did not get the big BoxyCharm box. The very first one that came out, I was on that site for about 3 hours, from 8 o'clock in the morning to about 11 o'clock at the evening, from 8 to 11, before lunchtime. And I finally gave up. Went and got my nails done, got me a pedicure, and when I got home, I got back on again. It let me get in and gonna say, you have been waitlisted. December box. I was like, Mother Lord, what you said. But it's okay. I'm happy with my little box. I saved some money on some stuff I probably didn't need nowhere, right? So let's see what we got in here. VIB offer. That don't say nothing. 30% off of Laura Geller. It says code BOXY for Laura Geller. But I don't think I ordered from their site. Somebody else might, you know, want to order from their site. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, a Laura Geller blush, which I like Laura Geller blushes. I got a couple of them in there. This says it's in blush, baked blush and brightening, Tropic Hues. Oh, I don't have this one though, and that's a pretty color for my skin tone. What you said? What is this? $28. I think I got mine on sale because I remember paying $28 for them. But I know I do like they blushes. They have a little hint of shimmer to them. Yeah. It ain't the blushes I use. It's the all over face powder. All over face powder. And they swirl like this, and it just sets my makeup beautiful. So I take that back. I think this is my first little girl blush. And then the next thing I got in here is Alamo Cosmetics. Oh, these go with the palette we got in last month's box. That's Alamo Cosmetics face palette. That's why they green, like the palette. If y'all saw my video from last month, if not, it'll be in the playlist, or I'll link it somewhere. But yeah, oh, these some nice brushes. I'm gonna stop spending my money on brushes. I just really wanted some Sigma brushes, y'all. And these brushes, the Sigma brushes, are not like they used to be. They're not, I don't know, that E40 brush is nothing like my old E40. But anyway, I'm getting off subject. Y'all know I talk too much. But yeah, there's a liner brush, a little fluffy brush, and a flat, I'm gonna say it's an eyeshadow brush, or it could be a concealer brush. But yeah, I like these brushes, and these brushes are $18. $18, perfect size. And then what is this? Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick, and this is $19. Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. What color is this in? Black Cherry. My lip gloss, yeah, it done wore off. We can put this on. Now I like that. This is coming in for the season. Ugh. Oh, look, he's so cool as hell. Okay. That's a deep black. I mean, it looks like purple. A really deep purple. I think I got a really deep eyeliner to work with this with. I like that. Y'all did good, BoxyCharm, with picking my right color. Thank you for not sending me a Barbie pink. The next thing in here is Stroke of Wow roll-on liner from Butter London. A roll-on. Ooh, this like that MAC liner with that roller ball. Ain't that something? I don't think I have time to fool with that and try to make that work. I'm good. It's a good idea. I'll probably try it. Y'all know I will. How much is this eyeliner? $19. It's on a play on the one that MAC came out, you know, with the roller line. It came off pretty good. I'll probably play with it. And the last thing in this box is this palette by Pretty Vulgar, and it's $35. And I don't know. Oh, I was looking at the pink and something. Ooh, this is pretty. Let me show this to y'all. It has a mirror. That's what it looks like. Those are some really neat natural shades without just being all natural. It looks a lot like that Too Faced. Ooh, that's a pretty good shimmer there. That Too Faced Natural palette is what it's putting me in the mind of. Ooh, these shadows are really powdery soft. Look at that. Okay, BoxyCharm, I gotta try this real dark one. They just wipe on. I gotta use this tomorrow. They blend out really good. I said I was gonna use that Cheers to Beauty because I've been waiting to use it, and that Queen of Heart, it's just need to be in my collection. At that price, I could get it in my collection. Okay, y'all, that's it we got for the BoxyCharm. I'm cool with this little box. I ain't even too mad that I didn't get the big box, because I noticed they got this in here. They got the brushes in there. They got the blush. So I really feel like I saved myself $29. Thank you again, BoxyCharm. Now, anyway, to go further, oh, in case y'all don't know about BoxyCharm, did I tell y'all? Everybody don't know about BoxyCharm. It's a monthly subscription box that you can get for $21 a month. Pretty much everybody know about BoxyCharm, but if you don't, I'll put a link below. It's $21 a month, and you get, I don't know, this has to be what, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is $100 and something dollars. I ain't got no calculator. $100 something worth of stuff for $21 a month. So yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to pop in and do a video and really show y'all the palettes. To tell you the truth, I slipped want to go on and get this little simple small haul in, but I ain't gonna make this video long. It didn't need to be, but I will. Oh, this it's matte. Got my teeth. Okay, it's matte, but it's a little sticky. It's gonna get a gloss on top of it. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. And y'all throw up some prayers for them people near the Carolinas and anybody in the realm of those storms. All right, talk to y'all in the next video. Bye, guys, and stay blessed.